Hey guys, Dr. Bell here. Two things that I get a lot of in practice and I see a lot of is people who really suffer from uh, anxiety, they worry a lot, or I also see, especially moms that are juggling a lot of things. They have their own businesses or they're career women and they have children and they have hobbies, and sometimes they just, I get it because I'm the same way. I don't know where to start. There are days where I feel like I'm just turning around in circles and I'm not sure where to start because there's so much to do. There's also laundry to think of and meals. And if you're anything like me, I like to cook everything from scratch. And so that takes more time. And we've got, the pup and the everything to take care of and being present with everyone. So two oils that I personally really use a lot are balance and peace. Now, peace is one that I really like, especially if I'm more worried about something. I don't know how I'm going to pull something off, a project, or I don't know if I'm going to be able to make something financially. It's a big goal. Maybe I'm worried about my daughter for some reason, or a parent, or something going on with the family. When you're worried about something, this is a great oil. Peace is a great oil for you. I really like it in the diffuser. I also like the roll-on version, which is this one, on myself. Or if my daughter is worried about something and she can't go to sleep, then I bust out the peace. So it's a really, really good one. It's called the Reassuring Blend. Now, the balance, I use this one a little bit more often personally. Although I do love the peace and I use it quite a bit. The balance is our grounding blend, and the grounding blend is just for that when you really need to kind of take a deep breath, stay grounded so that you can attack one thing at a time, you can think clearly. It's one that I use each and every day. I also use this one with our pup, and now if you are in our customer group, or if you've seen in Instagram, I posted a picture about the pup wanting to smell. I opened the bottle this morning and he just ran for it. He loves it. And I use it a lot in the car for him because it calms him down. And so he's used to it when I get in the car, because I have a bottle of this in the car. I hide it so that it's not in the sun. And he just loves it because since he was a baby, I would just take a drop, rub my hands together, and just pet his back along his spine, and he's calm. It like diffuses the natural aromatherapy in the car, and everybody is chill. It's an amazing oil. So this is one that I also use in my guy's beard oil. So I like making, you guessed it, my own beard oil for him. And I put a lot of the balance oil in it. So it's an amazing blend for that. Guys love this. It smells like a lot of different trees, right? So there's no flowers in it, there's no citrus in it, so it's just very grounding, and it just smells like you're walking through a forest. So it's pretty awesome. It's pretty, chilling. So I hope you guys like these two. It's something that I use in a very serious way. Like, people do really get amazing support and benefits if they are anxious, if they are stressed, and or if they are worried about something, or they just worry, maybe you're a worry wart and you tend to worry more often than you really need to. Sometimes we worry for nothing. It's all in our heads. Whether it's, an imagination thing or it's for real, the piece is really going to help you out with that. So hope you guys love these oils. If you haven't, go check them out. And I will see you guys again soon.